Well, hi everybody, this is your stay-at-home grandmom, and I have the empty gelatin caps. And these are, how's everybody doing, by the way? I am doing fine, and I'm sorry that I am not on track this week, but I'll tell you what's happening when I do my other one. This is the Herb Affair Great Health Natural Gelatin Caps, and these are 1,000 capsules, and they're 00 caps. I'm going to take one out and show it to you because I got these because I'm doing herbal classes again. Yes, I'm doing herbal classes again. I got bored. And they're coming to the house and everything. It's actually quite nice. I'm glad I'm still in it, but I'm just glad that, you know, people are coming and learning things about herbs and everything like that. So this is the cap. Pull this down just a little bit. This is the cap, and what we do is we put the herbs or the powder and stuff in it. And we haven't done that yet. They haven't gotten to the capsules yet, but I ordered these to review. And they are really quite nice. And if you see something running around, that's my little granddaughter's. So that, again, these are my herbal caps. This is the Herb Affair Great Health Naturally Gelatin Capsules. And there are 1,000. This is beef gelatin, and it's kosher and halal certified. So, and they have a WW, so I will put that all up for you too as well. These are the empty gel caps, and I hope you like them. And if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section, and I will see you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.